Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into the easiest way to verify your TestingTime account and get started testing fast. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the simple and straightforward process of verifying your TestingTime account so you can start participating in paid user tests. Without delay, first things first, you need to have your TestingTime account created and your email address registered. Once logged into your account, head over to the account verification section. Usually you will find a prompt or a banner asking you to verify your email to ensure your identity and secure your account. The first step is to check your registered email inbox for a verification email from TestingTime. This email typically arrives within minutes. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes automated emails may end up there. Open the verification email and look for the verification link inside the email. There will be a clickable link that you must select to confirm your email address. Clicking this link confirms your account and activates your profile for test invitations. If the link does not work, simply copy and paste it into your browser's address bar. After clicking or pasting the link, you'll be redirected to a confirmation page indicating your account is successfully verified. In some cases, TestingTime may require additional verification, such as uploading a government-issued ID or completing a short verification questionnaire. This is part of their commitment to ensuring testers are genuine and helps maintain the quality of their testing community. If prompted, follow the instructions carefully and submit any requested documents securely through their platform. Once your verification is complete, you will start receiving invitations to participate in user tests. Based on your profile and preferences, it's important to keep your profile details up to date and regularly check your email so you don't miss any testing opportunities. Verifying your account is a quick process that opens the door to new experiences and rewards as a user tester. By following these simple steps, you make sure you never miss out on exciting projects and paid studies. Stay patient during the verification process and reach out to TestingTime support. If you face any issues, they are there to help you navigate any difficulties smoothly. Don't forget to maintain a professional profile with accurate information, because it can improve your chances of receiving more relevant test invitations. Remember that valid account verification is essential to protect both you and the service provider, ensuring a trustworthy testing community. Thank you for watching. And now you are fully equipped to verify your TestingTime account easily and start enjoying the benefits of testing new products and services.